Hello there sewing friends, it's a girl Fola here and you're welcome back to another tutorial. Today's tutorial will be on how to make a puff sleeve. That is, the puff will be around the shoulder area. It will be gathered only at the shoulder area. And before we get started, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do that now. Kindly click on the subscribe button down below and subscribe. Also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So I have my fabric unfolded into 4 because I'll be cutting 2 sleeves, both for the right and the left hand. So I'll be cutting 2 sleeves together. So I have my fabric folded into 4. Can you see, in like manner? And also I have my starting line ruled out, and also this is the length of the sleeve I'm working with. The length of the sleeve is 15 inches plus 1 inch allowance to fold it at the hem. That is 16 inches, which is what I have right here. So the first thing that we do is to get the cap height, and we use our normal calculation, the bust circumference measurement divided by 12 plus ½ inch. The bust circumference I'm working with is 40 inches, and 40 divided by 12 plus ½ inch, that is 3/7/8 inches, which is what I've inserted. So this is the starting line. 3/7/8 inches is right here. And I will roll it into a straight line. So on the cap height, I will insert half of the armhole measurement, which is right here. And from there, I will connect it to the shoulder tip. And I'll get the midpoint, which is 9 inches. So half of that is, and on the midpoint I will go up by ½ inch and use the armhole curve to connect it to the shoulder tip in like manner. And connect with a straight ruler down to this point. Now for the front armhole, I will flip the armhole curve in like manner. You know, the front armhole curves in deeper than the back armhole, and connect it to the initial midpoint. And also connect it to the upper part. So this is the front armhole, and this is the back armhole. Now I will insert my side seam measurements. I did 1½ inches. Then for the round sleeve, the round sleeve is 15 inches. I'll divide that by 2, that is 7½, plus 1½ inches as well. You can do 1 inch, but I just have to do 1½ inches. Then I'll connect with my straight ruler in like manner. Now for the gathers at the shoulder area, that is why I left this upper part. So it depends on how full you want your gathers to be, just like the picture you are seeing on the screen right now. If you want it, just a little bit gathered at the shoulder, you just have to extend your line, go up by maybe 2 or 3 inches. It's okay. 2 or 3 inches is okay. But if you want it to be very gathered at the shoulder area. Like I will be doing 6 inches because I want to have enough fabric to gather at the shoulder area. So I'll be going up, measuring from here upward 6 inches, like so. Now connect. Can you see? So this will determine the amount of fabric you'll be able to gather at the shoulder area. So I came up by 6 inches. So if you want it to be less, if you want less gathers at that point, just don't make it up to this way. Just make it 2-3 inches is okay. Now from this point now, I will connect it to the 1/2 inch that I came up by here. So getting my armhole cuff, I'll just connect it in like manner. Can you see that? Can you see? So this will, can you see how it will be gathered? So this part now will be the part that will be joined to the shoulder tip. Can you see that? So by the time you gather this point now, can you see how it forms? So what I will do now is to cut it out. So I will notch this part that will be joined to the shoulder tip, so I will know where to gather on both sides, for both the front and the back. Also, I'll notch this part so to be gathered in like manner. Can you see it? This is the shape of what it will bring out. This part will be joined to the armhole. Now let me cut out the front armhole. I'll open it up in like manner. So I have both right sides facing each other. So I'll cut it out. Can you see that? So this part will be joined to the front armhole, while this part will be joined to the back armhole. So this is what we have. Can you see, guys? So guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If this tutorial has been helpful, kindly give me a giant thumbs up. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do that now. Thank you for joining me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.